Alright, so in my neck of the woods right now, well, it's winter, and winter equals cold, and when the wind blows, well, that equals even more cold. So when I like to go out and fly, I have a bit of a problem because my hands freeze touching the radio controller. So I have to put myself between the two car doors in my car. And as you can see today, I'm out flying FPV drones. Now, my hands get cold, but as you can see on my hands right now, I've got these gloves, these JR Pro gloves. Well, they're pretty good, but 3 fingers are still exposed, so your thumb and 2 other fingers, which is not the greatest because after flying for about 10 minutes, they will get really cold and you have to stop flying, which is not good. So there's this device that I have right here in my hand. It's like a big mitt that you actually put your controller in. And then you put your 2 arms in the mitt and then you just operate your controller. So I'm showing right now how this here controller goes in. You can see that basically you just stuff it in there nice, and there's all these little Velcro things that if I take my time and do it properly, I'd Velcro it up all nice, but I'm doing this pretty quick, so it's kind of a mess. And then all you do is just put your 2 arms left and right inside, and you can operate all your joysticks and all the buttons on your controller. Now you're probably wondering, what if I had a DJI Phantom or a Mavic or a Spark? Well, then you can still use it because you can see the display is huge. You can fit your tablet or your phone in there with your controller, and your fingers can still touch your tablet or your phone to operate everything. So it still works quite well. Now I've had a lot of success with this, flying in cold weather with this here device, so I have to say it's pretty good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below where I bought it. I bought this off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it. It's not that expensive, and if you're a hobbyist like me who likes to fly in the cold weather, I'm sure you'll really enjoy it, because when you're out flying FPV, it's cold. And as you can see right here, I'm flying right by myself and I'm all alone in this huge parking lot, and it is pretty cold. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you found this video informative. Check out the links below for where you can get it, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.